What's up, everybody? My name is Ojama Garrett, and this is my video. You are doing the most when you're doing the least, and this is a YouTube tips video. Just let's jump into it. This is going to give you better production. This is going to make you better videos. This is going to make you a better YouTuber. It's going to make you better at everything if you kind of can apply this across other frames of your life. So you're doing the most when you're doing the least, and when most progress will happen in your life when you stop and center yourself or reflect or whatever. So what that means is like, getting all hot and bothered, all high strung, get into the workflow or whatever, get too obsessive, start thinking about way too many details, getting anxious and stuff like that. If you just stop and center yourself and then start again, you'll be a lot more productive. So it's like the most when you're doing the least, because when you stop yourself, you're gonna feel like, damn, I'm not doing anything, so this is gonna suck. But anyway, when you do stop and then start again, your actions become a lot more calm, centered, and grounded. So then you actually get a lot more done. So then moving on to expand upon this, we have the 80-20 rule, Pareto principle. So when you're making videos, only 20% of your decisions are generating 80% of the result. That's what I mean by you're doing the most when you're doing the least, meaning that when you're out of the 100% labor you're doing, 20% of the decisions you're making is actually producing 80% of your result. So for example, I'm shooting longs. I was writing my example one is that when I make long form content on my most popular channel, I would write a script, think about the idea, spend the whole day to shoot it, 2 hours working on thumbnail, then looking up on my SEO optimizations, tags, blah, blah, blah. When I'd post, I'd get some videos that do over 1,000 views, but the labor for the output didn't seem worth it. So I just kind of, it's more like 10 hours here, but I'm just doing 8 hours to get 1,000 view ratio for, it's a small channel. It's nothing crazy, but I just wanted to say it like that just to give it a number, because that is kind of, I have a few videos that did perform exactly like that, like 1,500 views for 10 hours of labor or something like that, whatever. But this works for this example. Then in example 2, now I shoot a video in 2 to 5 minutes, make the title what it is, post it, and it's still getting 100 to 500 views per video. And that is about 7 minutes, because it's about 5-minute video. It takes 2-minute prep, changeover, etc. To get 100 view video. I have multiple videos that have 500 views doing the same method, but I just wanted to compare it to the smallest representation versus like the best representation of the other example. And why I say this is because now we can plug it into a calculator to get a labor ratio. So what I do when I am thinking about my production is like, it's a new metric I use, which is just labor per, or views per minute. Like for my labor, how many minutes when I put in, how many views do I get for every minute I put in? So, or per hour, sorry. So when you plug that in, the first scenario, you get 8 hours to 1,000 views. You're only getting 125 views per hour. And for the second scenario, we have 7 minutes to 100 views. And then that comes out, the formula comes out to 857 views per hour. So that means essentially that my every minute on the second method is generating me 900 views per hour instead of 125. So I want to do that because it's 8 times more efficient. So there's my video. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, share, whatever, comment down below. Hope this helps somebody. Thank you. Have a nice day.